The strength and the durability of the Crown PE series. I'll take a quote or a gesture from my teammates. My name is Danelle Beard. We're here at Universal Pure here in Lincoln, Nebraska. I am the warehouse manager for this particular facility. Here at Universal Pure, we do high pressure processing, shipping, receiving, cold storage, and value-added services. The Crown PE series we use in several different operations. We do truck unloading, order picking. We use them for the receiving process, truck loading. We use them for our sanitation assignments to support building maintenance and machine maintenance.
Right now in our fleet today, we have in excess of 60 pallet jacks running through our two facilities. They've been dependable, they've been reliable, and our employees like to drive them.
My teammates are pleased. Pleased with the design, pleased with the strength of the machine, and again, pleased with the durability. When the operators are using the Crown PE series going in and out of the trucks, they feel as if the machine absorbs some of the impact. Teammates tell me they don't feel beat up at the end of the day. The strength and the durability of the Crown PE series, I'll take a quote or a gesture from my teammates.